Hey guys, I'm in my kitchen today. We are going to make an apple pie. Use my old 33-year-old Betty Crocker cookbook. This is my favorite recipe book. I got this on my first Christmas here in 1987, and look how old it is. We even took it with us when we moved to the Philippines a couple of years ago, and we brought it back. So it's very old. This is where I get all my recipes from, and I like it. So I am going to make, look, it's all torn and tattered. Even the binding is looking pathetic. But like I said, this is my favorite, so I'm gonna use it until I die, basically. Let's see. Apple pie. There's a apple pie that I really like. I only need to make one crust, so that would be time efficient. And I have dairy sour cream that I bought yesterday, so I'm going to use that for this. And then I'll do the brown sugar topping instead of another crust on top of it. And I love it. It's really pretty good. Not your regular apple pie. Okay, but first, let's go check on Judson, who is peeling the apple.
That's right. You just push it in and just pull it. But you don't want to go too far, because you want to go, what I do, get that out of the way. Pull it back far enough, get the apple where you can line it up.
Here's my sidekick.
And then,
being taught how to use the apple peeler.
Yeah.
Once it's lined up, you just have to push it back on there. Well, if you hold it, it won't spring. Pull back a little bit and lift it up. There you go. Just like that. Dog!
Slowly.
Slow.
I think you missed the center.
Yep.
Sounds like you missed the center. Got to pull a little bit of seed out of that one.
Okay.
Man, this is a messy process. Yeah, there's a bit of seeds in this one.
That's okay.
I can eat this one if you want. Get out! Jeez! Oh, this one is one of those sideways ones.
That's okay. Just push it there.
You know it's not gonna be center. This one's gonna be extra seedy, Mama.
That's okay. That's okay.
So tempting to eat these strips. And the apple. But stop. Oh. Are you sure we don't have enough apple?
I think we got two in the refrigerator.
Yay! Apple time.
Don't eat the green because the green one is good for baking.
Okay. I won't eat the green then.
What are you doing there?
I gave him a little strip and now he wants more.
I guess I'll take the Forester. Probably put gas in it while I'm over there at Murphy's. And then I'll get the car over tomorrow. Slow down.
That's only because I wasn't on the apple yet.
Okay. You can still let us know if you ought to go with me or not.
Whoa, that one is kind of breaking.
That's okay.
Like breaking the spiral.
That's good.
In pieces.
Okay, here's your apple that you're about to eat.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, this is the last apple.
Okay.
Actually, second to last. Yeah. I'm gonna have to wash my hands so well after this. This could become a business. You get your apples peeled. Get peeled apples here. Wait.
Okie dokie, I'll be back. What?
Now he forgets about the apples. Now he wants to go with you.
No, now he's back on the apples.
Yep.
Because he's not smart. He's like a child. You got ADD there.
When you hear the door open over here, you know.
Whoa. It's bending.
Yeah, you gotta reposition that one.
Well, that's because it's a crooked apple.
I'll turn it around, do it from the other side then.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
good job.
this one's a bit brownish. Okay, mine apple. Ooh, it's nice and cold and it looks pretty straight. Stands up straight. I got myself a good apple.
Okay, thank you. I'm going to make one crust pastry, 1 1/3 cups all-purpose flour, half teaspoon salt, and then you need half a cup of shortening. This is half a cup already. I measured it already. So you drop it in the flour and salt mixture, and then using this, whatever it's called, you can use a fork if you don't have this thing. Okay, so it should form lumps like that, small clumps. And then you add 2 tablespoons of cold water and then mix it. And then add some more, probably another 2 tablespoons of cold water. And then you mix it again until all the flour is moistened. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of flour. And then using my roller, I'll roll it out like thinly. All right, now we are ready to assemble the pie. I got the apples here. I got my pie crust. Now we're going to assemble our pie. First I need 3/4 cup sugar. I need 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour. What you do it? Not very particular about my measuring, so. And then I need 1/8 teaspoon salt. 1/8 teaspoon salt. One cup dairy sour cream. That's 1 cup dairy sour cream. One teaspoon vanilla. I mean 1 tablespoon, not teaspoon. Oh my goodness. 1 tablespoon. That's a lot of vanilla.
Looking yummy.
1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon. I'm just going to estimate it. There you go. Egg. So mix it together. There you go. I'm going to heat the oven to 375. Now I'm going to add the pared apples. Ooh. Granny Smith apples is the best for apple pie, but we don't care what we use when we do our homemade apple pies. Whatever is on sale or whatever, you know, kind of apples we find at the discount area there at Dillon's, that's what we use. It doesn't matter, it still is apple pie. Now I'm going to pour this into the pastry line. The brown sugar topping. Here I have 1/3 cup all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup packed brown sugar. I have 2 tablespoons firm margarine or butter, and then I'm going to use 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon. So I'll do that right now. There you go, that should do it. And then I'm supposed to have teaspoon ground cloves, but I don't have a ground cloves. But I have the nutmeg, so I'm going to put a little bit of nutmeg. Make the house smell like it's Thanksgiving Day. There you go. It's only 1/8 of a teaspoon ground cloves, so you don't need a whole lot. But since I don't have that, I'm using nutmeg. I'm going to mash in the butter in there. Mix it until it's crumbly. Sprinkle it on top of the apples. There you go, guys. So now we will bake this for 45 minutes on a 375-degree oven. So here's the apple pie. It's done and it's cooled off a little bit. So now I'm ready to have a slice. So here is my apple pie with vanilla ice cream. It looks yummy. So let's have a taste test. It's so good. So guys, should you want to try to make this, I will put the recipe down in the description below. This is Benai Flipper in the kitchen, signing off. Thank you for watching. Bye.